All right, so real quick, I'm gonna go over the trade that I took today. So basically, on the 15 minute, or actually, let's go to the 1 hour. So I started this trade on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we are still respecting this daily gap right here, and we bounced off the consequent encroachment of it multiple times, um, and the gap in general. And then on the 1 hour, as you can see, we had this civvy right here. So coming into the 15 minute, I drew my little fib from here to from this low to this high, and um, so I saw this breaker block as well. So my setup was gonna be okay. We tap in here, and I'm gonna take some buys. Um, Now, obviously, you see a trade. All right, I'm gonna get into that in a second. So, um, on the 5 minute, same thing. The one thing I did see is liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. So my bias was okay. It's gonna tap into here, take this liquidity out at the same time, tap into the breaker, and then it's gonna go higher. Um, so what did I do? I saw this right here. Now, when I took out this low and it started breaking structure like this, I'm not gonna lie, I thought that it had already tapped into the 1 hour CB. Matter of fact, I didn't even notice that it didn't tap into the 1 hour CB. I mean BISI. So I took the trade, not knowing that it hadn't tapped into the 1 hour BISI or the breaker block. So that was a lack in my judgment because I do not take trades where my stop loss is above a 1 hour BISI or below a 1 hour CIBI, if that makes sense. Like my stop loss is right here and the fair value gap is right here. It's like why would I put my stop loss right here and why would I stay in this trade? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. So um, I got out the trade right at this candle right here, at this 1103 candle, because it just didn't make sense to stay in the trade because it was just chopping around and this 1 minute fair value gap was holding. I tried to claim the inverted fair value gap, but it just never happened. And this trade might play out, but honestly, I don't care. Like I'm not gonna stay in this trade. Okay. My bias for the DXY was the same thing. So I got to the charts when the DXY was around 103.275, and when it tapped into here and it broke through it, I was like, okay, then GU might be going bearish, but then it reacted off of here, um, and so my bias on GU continued to be bullish. The one thing I don't like about GU is that it hadn't even tapped into the 50% level or the 1 hour. So that's why I decided to get out. I think it's a good trade. It would have been a good trade if and only if it would have just tapped into the 1 hour CB. I'd still be in it regardless of what price does. I would still be in it, but I just didn't like the fact that it didn't tap into the BISI. So yeah, that was the one and only trade I took. But if you look at NQ was actually beautiful today for Silver Bullet. Um, as you can see right here at 10 a.m., price tapped into this um, little imbalance right here. You could have gotten in short, but honestly, I've back tested, or I've actually forward tested a lot at 10, 0, 0, taking trades at that time. I usually get burnt, so these are one of those days where you don't get burnt because price could have easily rallied up and then created a setup going down. Obviously for these lows and Asia lows, and this sell side right here as well. But these are the type of trades that you just miss out on because you have to stay disciplined to your rules, at least for me. But like I said on stream, I might start trading the 950 macro because look at how beautiful this is. I mean, this is just fucking textbook right here. The fact that it broke below this imbalance right here as well. As you can see, this imbalance right here. Actually, where is it? Somewhere. What the fuck? Where's the imbalance? This imbalance right here. Hold on. Okay, so it's this fair value gap right here, and as you can see, it broke below it, tapped into it, and then started shooting lower. So yeah, those are the type of trades that I absolutely love because it's one directional. There's not really anywhere else it could go but down. So But yeah, and like I was saying for EU as well, I didn't like the fact that, okay, so this fair value gap turned into an inverted fair value gap, and then at the same time we had bounced off of a 15-minute BISI. So this, and then I thought that it was gonna take out this liquidity, but I didn't. There was really no like indicator that it was gonna continue going up for me. Like this whole time I was in between for EU, and it never did anything. And the same thing for GU. I mean, it's just chopping around. Obviously, I'm still bullish on it if it taps into his 1 hour BISI, but yeah, it's just playing around just like EU. So I wasn't looking for shorts on EU. I really wasn't. So yeah, that's those were the trades for today. Only this only trade. I'd still be at break even, but whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some value out of it. And if not, it doesn't really matter. So peace.